Submissions.
Today we'll be working on the broken on and off switch, the engine on and off switch. Let me start it off and show you what's going on with it. It seems to not be stopping and turning off. Well, we're gonna unscrew these two bolts and see what's going on. It's stuck on run, but it can't slide to off. We're gonna unscrew these two bolts and see what's going on inside. Wait, this is what it looks like inside. We're gonna unscrew this and see what's inside. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. We're gonna take out, there's some spider webs right there. We're gonna take out this plastic piece and we're gonna see what it looks like. We took off the plastic piece. We're gonna take this red button out. Something looks rusty right here. Brought this in the shop. They have a metal bulb right here. In the switch. Maybe there's a spring underneath it and it can't go side by side. It's rusted. We will need WD-40. We got WD-40, a small bottle for small problems. We'll spray this on and let it sit for a couple of minutes. The WD-40 was not enough. We had to brush it with a wire brush. This was inside of the switch, a contactor, a bulb, and a spring. We're gonna use 3-in-1. Make sure you add 1 drop. The ball is moving up and down now. Let's test it. Now we'll put this back on the bike. It slides on and off. It should work. Okay, it looks like it's working. It's sliding back and forth. We put it on run. We're gonna start this thing up and we're gonna test it. It's working. Thank you for watching. Bye.